just hoping the audio isn't complete ass. Oh no, just because of the wind, right? I'm not so worried about them not hearing your ugly mug.
It's not bad.
Can't see shit in this thing.
Just throw another piece over top just to be on safe.
Well fucked. Proper fucking. That door is just having a free time in the wind. I don't know what the hell I'm saying. I'm having a stroke. Mm-hmm. Exactly. Oh, you just dropped your bit.
Oh, it's Davey. Snowblower. Old Dave. Oh, buddy, she's not going nowhere. Literally.
That's good.
I still probably should put that there,
Yeah.
just as an added precaution.
Your bit fell out again.
I'm gonna cut this back, I think. Yeah. Cut that back. Do you have a X-Acto?
No.
Just that little black one that I got it.
Yeah.
Or my machete.
Hey Chris, the ultimate first-person shooter. Oh, that's lovely. You just mooned the entire channel. So that's going on. And then this shit's getting, well, that might be going back in, I don't know.
What, this?
No, the fucking plastic trim.
Yeah.
Metal plate, plastic trim, and then that rubber cover. The floor mat. I'm coming through the other side. How's it going? Oh, this fucking doesn't do light very well at all. I'm just gonna move out of the way of that, and then look at this big tablet.
Fuck me. Really in there. Damn. Can you get me a broom or something? Yeah, broom. Even just the hand part will be fine.
See what we got for a broom. You care if it's a snow broom?
Yeah, that'll do. That, or I'll just go get the Roomba and let them run around in here for 4 minutes.
Oh shit! Got in the eye.
Didn't feel thing. Okay. Not bad. And then I'll just get the big broom and sweep that up later. Now I can put a few more in here. Where'd that bit go out here?
Under the metal tray, under the metal plate.
Drill me.
You're fat.
Hi. Hi.
That shirt's actually funny. I may be wrong, but I doubt it.
Very fitting for me, huh?
It could fit better. Oh. You're losing screws. Oh. I see what he meant by wiring.
Huh? Oh.
The radioless wires.
Yep. Motherfucker. Damn this thing. Damn it all to hell. Okay. Good enough for now.
Yeah.
And then I'll throw this other piece up here. Like so. Sew it up like that. And just screw it right into here. Wait a second.
What?
Nothing. All good in the hood. You fucking motherfucker. That works. Okay.
What do you want to name this one? Chris's new truck?
Sure. I don't give a damn. It ain't gonna be fucking pretty, but it'll do. Yeah. Uh-huh. 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 just going to bend it and then screw it into the other floor, like the new one I just put in.
Mm-hmm.
I'll just worry about a fucking plow later on in life. Get one of them Mickey Mouse ones for now. Ooh, that was almost my hand. That almost really hurt. I don't like that one. We're going to use a new one. That one tried to hurt me. Get back here. Get back here. You son of a bitch. Fuck, we're back here again. Okay. Hang on. Structural. Yes, man. That can be the channel's catchphrase. Yes, man. CJ Automotive, what's your favorite color? Redneck? Okay, good. We can do that. We do redneck all day. I have literally almost used this entire box of self-tappers.
Oh, good. Huh? Your bald ass head keeps getting in the way.
That's okay. I know where I can get more self-tappers. The great overstocked warehouse of Aiden's truck.
I mean, you're not fucking wrong.
Made with the finest of aircraft grade aluminum. Chaford. Built tough.
I'm fucking sorry, what?
Chaford. Chev Ford. Chaford.
No.
enough. And then a few more up here and we'll be alright, I'd say. What say you?
It's not my truck. Good enough.
Well, even if it was your truck. What more could you have me do? Nothing. Nothing more that I can do.
You wouldn't be doing it.
Why not? Why not? I'm good at it. It works good. No one's gonna fall through there now. Better than the plywood that was there before.
You're not wrong.
And allegedly this will pass safety, so
Spray foam it.
there's an idea. Holy.
And at least it'll be watertight.
Yeah, and weighs 700 pounds a minute at range. Can't test. Fuck, it didn't even move. What?
Perfect test. Now let's hit it hard enough with a sledgehammer and see what happens.
Didn't move. Can you put that back in the garage? I'm not gonna put the... Well, maybe I should. Yeah, I guess.
What are you doing?
I'm just hemming and hawing. That goes here, right? This goes here, right? Yeah. Yeah. I think.
It does go there. You're right. You just... Yeah.
Man. Ah.
Stuff's flying away.
What do you want? Hello. I'm at my house replacing a floorboard. How does it go?
What was that?
Nate,
Oh.
come by to see the riggins. Oh, like that. Good enough. You put my ye old box of cell tappers in. Back with them. Was that 19 or 22? I think it's 22. Yeah, it'd be a 22 because it's a big boy.
Yeah.
Where'd the other one?
Don't know. Well, this is where we're ending this video for now.